In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the JPEG files not opening here on Windows. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to open up, a JPEG photo and it's not going to open up at all, the issue is usually caused by the default Photos app not being set correctly, a corrupted Photos app, or a temporary app glitch. What you're going to want to do is essentially find that file, and let's just go ahead and say, this is the file right here, since that is one. Essentially right click on it and just hover over the option for open with. And what you're going to want to do is find this little Photos app on here. Go ahead and select choose another app though instead, and then select Photos. And then check always use this app as well, and then hit OK, and now try opening that file again. Now, if the image still won't open, what you're going to want to do is actually click the search button and just type in apps, and then find the add or remove programs section in here by just searching add or remove, and then just select it just like so. Once you do select it, what you're going to want to do is type photos in the search app options right here. And it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Essentially, click the three dots next to Microsoft Photos, hit advanced options on it, and scroll down and you're going to see a terminate option. Select that and then hit repair right underneath it. Once that's done, go back to that JPEG image that you're trying to open up, select it, and it should open up. If you're still having issues, try opening it in another app like Paint or Photoshop, or re-downloading the image if possible. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.